Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will cover the topic of data preparation. What is data preparation? Data preparation is a critical process that involves cleaning, transforming and analyzing raw data to make it ready for analyzing and modeling. We can see that data preparation is a process of cleaning and transforming the data so that it can be used for further use and in proper way it can be used and it cannot get the error. It lays at the foundation of accurate insight, effective decision making, and successful data science in activity. Define define data preparation scopes and significance. Cleaning. Identify the correct errors, inconsistency, and missing values to ensure the data integrity. First, we can say that cleaning the data for correcting the errors and finding the missing values, type the values that which the values are missing, transforming, converting data into a suitable format for analysis, including data aggregation, normalization, and feature engineering. Incremented, adding relevant information to the data search, such as external data sources or deriving variable to enhance insights. Indexing data fields. Purpose, benefits, and techniques. Purpose, creating a unique identifiers for each record in a data sets, enabling fast data retrieve and efficient analysis. We can say that it is a unique identifier of each records in a database, which is fast retrieval and effective analysis. Benefits: improve search and filtering capacity, enhance performance for data manipulation, and easier data management. It can be said that improve the searching process capacity and enhance the performance of the data. Techniques: using the primary key, hash functions, or other indexing methods based on the structures and application requirement. We can see that by using the hash functions or indentation methods, the data structures and application required has handling misfilling fields, ensuring data accuracy, identification, correction, and verification. Using the data validations techniques to identify fields with the inconsistency or misleading data. This could involve checking of types, data type errors, and out of range values. Identification, we can say that this is involves for the checking the types and the data types error which is coming in the program, and correction, applying various data cleaning methods to correct the identified errors. This could include replacing missing values, standardizing the data formats, or even removing duplicate records. In this correction, it is used to clean the errors getting in the codes, and it can be replaced by missing values and remove the it is also used to remove the duplicates records in that. Verify the corrected data to ensure the accuracy and consistency. This step is critical to ensure that the data is ready for analyzing and modeling. Re-expressing categorical data, transforming for meaningful insights. One hot encoding, label encoding, and other methods. One hot encoding method, creating binary values for each categories, where value of one represents the value of presence of categories and O represents its absence. We can see that the one hot encoding is a process where the value of one represents the presence of category. Matlab, in this we can say that the value of 1 can be seen that it is present in it, and the 0 value can see that it is not present in it. Label encoding, assigning a unique numerical labels to each category, transforming data into a numerical format or analysis. Assigning a new numeric methods to the label to each category, we can see that assigning a new value to its labels category to transforming the data into numerical format. Other methods, depending on the data and analysis requirement, other techniques like frequency encoding or target encoding might be used. Standardizing the numerical fields, bringing data into a common scale. Z-score, minimum maximum scaling and benefits. Standardizing the data by subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation, resulting in a distribution with the mean of 0 and the standard deviation of 1. Z0 score is used for subtracting the mean and dividing the standard deviation, and it's the mean value of it's 0 and the standard deviation is 1. Minimum maximum scaling, rescaling data to a range between 0 and 1 by subtracting the minimum values and dividing by the difference between the maximum and the minimum values. In this, we can say that finding the minimum and the maximum value by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value, we can get the maximum or minimum values. Benefits: improving the performance of algorithm that are sensitive to the scales of features such as k nearest neighbors or support vector machines. Identify and handling outlines in the R and Python. Detect outliner. Second, analyze outliner and decide outliner. Start by using statistical techniques like the interquartile range to identify data points that falls outside the normal distribution. It is used to define data points that falls outside the normal distribution. It is we can say that detect outliner is used to identify the outside points in the normal distribution. Analyze outliner. Understand the root causes and potential impact of outliner. Determine if they are valid data types. It is used to find that the data which is given is valid data point or not. Understand the root cause. As we can say that the root cause means the data point is correct or valid or not. To check this it. Decide outliner. Decide on an appropriate mitigation strategy such as streaming or transforming the data to reduce the influence of outliner. Decide outliner, we can say that it is used for trimming the transforming the data to reduce the influence of an outliner. We can say that we can say in short what that it is used to short the data, so it can be explained in an easy and simple way.